Alright. This is where I'm gonna put the technical difficulties part.
Yeah, facts.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are finally, setting up the Q50 right. If you watched the last video a couple weeks ago, we tried to install CarPlay onto the Q50 and it was an epic fail. So today, this is what we got. We go in Tesla screen, baby. So Deontay already started taking out the panels, and now he's trying to take out the other panels.
Panels on panels, yeah.
Panels on panels. All right, so hopefully at the end of this video everything will go smoothly.
Yeah.
All right,
but y'all seen this already in the last one, so no need going over this again.
and this time Deontay will not say how hard can it be. This time he will not say that. Jinx knock on wood.
Yeah, like I'm gonna say what could go wrong.
What could go wrong? Those are infamous words never to hear on an install. All right, so we'll check back in a few seconds when everything is off. If you haven't already, please like the videos, watch our past videos, like, comment, subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers. We're on the grind, and whatever content you would like to see, let us know in the comment down below, and we'll try to make it happen. All right.
6 hours later.
All right, so what we got here is the Alcar. What is this? The 6, Mark 6 or Mark 7?
So to order the Mark 7, but they put in a Mark 6 box because all like the packaging they had like at the company, they stopped doing the Mark 6 back in March. So, but shout out to Rob. Yeah, shout out to Rob at Square Wheels Auto. Yeah, they hooked me up. They sent us out mad fast. So good luck to them. Him and his team.
So what can you do with this, honestly, besides CarPlay?
So yeah, you can do the CarPlay and Android Auto, but you can actually just use it as a standalone tablet. So that way you can run your apps like YouTube, Netflix, ESPN, stuff like that.
But you say you can watch the game while you drive?
No, not while you drive.
I'm about to say that's actually crazy.
When you want to do car dates, with your girl. Or your significant other, 2024, all inclusive. Yeah, whatever that means. Yeah, so you want to watch a movie, watch a little, Disney Plus, like sometimes we gotta bring back car dates, We're always cooped up in the crib, or we spend money in the movies, just masked up.
Saying going on a nice drive. Finally.
Nice drive, bro.
Facts, I feel you.
And going a nice drive on the Jackie Robinson.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's like a death trap. Yeah. So with the screen, you can, of course, it being a standalone tablet, it will need some data, so you can either use my phone as hotspot, right? So you can have service, or I can just get a SIM card for it, and then its own data plan. So that would be pretty cool. So pretty nifty stuff. Once I get this harness out from that old setup, I can just use the better one. I'm sorry, the new one. Sorry, not better one, the new one, and make this entire thing work. So, progress, making progress.
So what are you gonna do with the old CarPlay that we tried to install?
Oh yeah, some things out right now. It's up for sale. I put up on Facebook. If y'all want to buy this, make use of it.
Yeah, he's basically saying if you can install it better than he did it, basically you can have it.
All right, okay, yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
I probably missed a step here too because I was in a rush.
Facts. Always try to do an install when you have enough sunlight in the day.
Mind you, we're doing this in the afternoon when we only have probably like 3 hours or something left.
True. You have to get in on the GoPro to get extra angles. We love them angles.
But yeah, so this is it. This is the screen. Pretty nice.
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 Nice though. It's gonna be a pretty good, decent size, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so we have stock connections. We gotta make sure the harness is all good to go. So, gonna put this down. Make sure the harness is ready to go. Oh, so yeah, so if you want to do your SIM card, yeah. So, I probably won't do it. I'll just do hotspot. And if I don't want to use hotspot, then I'll use CarPlay. Call it a day. Bars.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Yeah, user manual, all that nice stuff. Okay, so lay that down there. Oh, actually, also, yeah, shout out again to Square Wheels because this HDMI port, this is the key for something pretty cool in the future. So we might do it. If we do, then of course y'all will be the first to know. So keep that in mind. But okay, so that's here. Down.
Be quiet! Shut up!
All right. And all right, we have power. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. All right, pretty responsive. Bluetooth. Oh snap. Okay, this. Okay, home buttons work. Okay, cool. So let's do. Also, make sure InTouch works. It can go back. Yep. Okay, it can go back to the stock system. All right, great. Back to home. Good. Audio works. All right. Cool. All right. So Bluetooth audio works. All right. Yeah, man. Like the music. Yeah, so that's cool. All right. Oh, little latency because it's Bluetooth, you know, but
Is it laggy?
a little laggy, but I believe I can. Sunny Days, yo, shout out to my girl Damaris. Yo, go follow her. Yo, go check it out. Just came out. It was last weekend. It was last Monday. Yeah, Sunny Days. Yeah, play a little bit. Woo! Clean. All right. Yeah, little preview. All right, so check that out. Yeah, man, it's pretty cool. So I'm about to play with this a little bit. You know, and see, you know, what I could do with it. But yeah, man. All right, let's button this back up, and then we should be good to go.
Oh, they're just going way too fast for me to see with the naked eye. The day's over. Now it's morning and night again. This is crazy.
All right, that took longer than expected, but we got all the panels back together.
Facts.
All right.
Cable management.
Only need to put the last panel on.
Microphone. So YouTube. So Infiniti gets CarPlay. Will it work?
That's mad funny. That was the first video we did.
Facts. First video. Yes, sir. What's going on, you guys?
That's crazy.
That's crazy, yo. That was 1 month. That's crazy.
So anything for the people?
Man, yo, actually, look, right here, yo, shout out to Square Wheels Auto, yo, shout out to them, right? Shout out to Rob, helped me out. Well, that's a little spoiler though, but you know, they just came out with their digital dash for the Q50. I might do it. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
What's next for the Q50?
What's next? Performance mod. So it's about that time. You know. So we have the winter. This is a winter arc for the car. So we'll do some mods, simple ones, like intakes and everything, exhaust, you know, some goodies. So I'm excited to install those. I'm installing some, but I'm excited to see them getting installed. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed that install. That was crazy. All right, so be sure to like. All right, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite part, you know, of the install. Actually, scratch that. Yo, comment down below who you voting for. Like, that's the real question. Who you voting for? And why? All right, so make sure y'all vote. Go out and do y'all thing, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out.